How do you do, fellow adults? I'm a 64-year-old employee of corporation. As an old man, some of the main things you'll probably be thinking about every day are spreadsheets, sawmills, and office job. And to prove that I am an adult who cannot adjust to new technology, this is my wonderfully neutral computer I got used in 1998. It comes with Windows 3.1 and Microsoft Excel. I never figured out how to use the start menu, so bear with me here. Today, I'm going to show you how to add numbers in cells. First, you give a couple of columns a label. And then you enter the numbers you want for each column. Then you can go and set a formula called sum across the cells. And as we have selected these cells, A2, A5, we accept the change and repeat the procedure into the other. Using the dragon operation and accept. There you see the power of Microsoft Excel as a very useful tool to perform adult functions. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If so, please check out my list of other videos for how to do responsible things. Thanks very much for your time. Bye.
There's a time and a place for something.